So I'm here at the Chapel of the Holy Cross. This is a hike in Sedona that is really amazingly beautiful, and this church behind me is right on the side of, you'll see here, right on the side of these beautiful Red Rock Mountains. This place is beautiful, super high vibe, and I feel like it's a place that, of course, Christian people will love, but man, if you like just goodness and well-being, peace, love, joy, all those great things, this place has all of it. So I'd recommend this to anyone who wants to have a great experience, to check this place out. And so this is what it looks like coming out of the church. It's just spectacular. And to check out the hike that I'm going on right now, because those spires behind me, I'm gonna hike over there, climb up to the top of those, or as high as I can go, and then show you the view from there, because it's gonna be fantastic. It's really beautiful. He shall give his angels charge over you to keep you in all ways. That means we're all good. Now this home, let's see how close we can get in on this guy. That is a big, beautiful house. Sedona's got some big, beautiful homes here too. I've been focusing a lot on the nature, but when you got a home like that, with a backdrop like that, it's like, dang, how does it get any better than this? So on this hike, I'm choosing to go all the way around the mountain. So we're gonna go up around here to the left, all the way around this guy, and over to those spires over there. We're going the long way. So as I'm walking and jogging through this trail, I'm just realizing how grateful I am about the opportunity to unplug, not just today, but really over the last few months, where lots of changes have happened in the world. Whatever I thought was my pursuit, my driven pursuit towards my successful acting career, a lot of those things have changed or come to a pause. And even things like social media and those types of things, I just realized how addicted that I was to a lot of those things. Emails, Instagram, Facebook. And I'm not really even on there socially. I'm more on there to jump on, see if I've got a new acting job or correspondence related to my career. But I was completely addicted. I was checking my emails. If I said 20 to 50 times a day, that's probably accurate. That might be an understatement. But being able to unplug, I went ahead and put my emails on an email responder. So if you email me, now I only check emails at 10 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. If that, I removed the Facebook app from my phone. And I did that because every time I looked at my phone, if I saw that little tiny app symbol, I might check Facebook. So I just removed it from my phone because I feel like there's an opportunity here to reboot the system. And that's what's happened for me. I've rebooted my system. I'm living in a state of peace and love. I'm working on programming that into my physical body and into my behaviors, into the ways that I interact with people. And it's taking practice, but I encourage you to do something similar. And you probably already have with the shift that's gone on in the world. But whatever you're doing, let's take it a step further. take it a step further. Let's get into the real you. The real you. When you take a nice deep breath like you could right now, and breathe that joy, breathe in that love, breathe in that peace, and you breathe it in, and you just say, who is the real you? I'm realizing that the real me, let's see the way to go here. Way to go. Hogwash. There we go. Take a right, baby. But look what's over there. Maybe we'll take that trail another day. Look at that. But for today, we're going this way. We're going this way, babies. All right. So what I've been realizing is whoever I thought I was, whoever I think I am, you know, they say that old saying, I think, therefore I am. That's not it. I am. Pure consciousness. I am. Infinite peace. I am. Infinite joy and love. I am infinite well-being. I am infinite wealth and vitality and energy. I am. And even those things are words to activate a certain vibration. But whoever I thought I am, whoever I thought I am, yeah, is a program. Me being born in America, me being born in a state like Minnesota, me growing up, going to a high school like I did in Colorado, me going to college, having favorite football teams and sports teams and cheering for the Super Bowl winner. And why do I pick one team versus the other one? Is it really my preference? Is it truly my choice and my preference, or am I just being influenced by the environment around me? Because what if I would have been born in, ooh, here's a beautiful view. Yeah. So awesome. So what if I would have been born in China? And my friends call me Brother Dan, and there would have been some other way that, do you think I would have been Kyodai Dan? I thought one of my Japanese buddies told me Kyodai Daniel. Kyodai Dan would be Brother Dan. I might be messing that up completely. But so all these things are things that I've been programmed with versus things that I want to be. Now, I do identify with them. I do love many of those things. But when it comes down to things that are going to cause too much of a division, this is where we get the question mark of which way to go. I think it's this way. When it's too much of a division, we got to have a sense of ease about those things. There's not that much that we need to worry about. Or really those things that we feel are such a big deal. They're kind of a big deal, but maybe they're kind of not a big deal. Maybe we can approach things with love and peace and joy and have that be the way that our life goes from now on. So I'm just encouraging you to be amazing and awesome, be glorious and wonderful, and this may or may not be the right way to go, guys. It's not really well marked. I'd rather stay on the beautiful path. I'm going to find that beautiful path. So I'll wrap this up for now, but enjoy this beautiful view for a few more minutes. Unplug yourself from the matrix. Unplug yourself from all the programs that you identify with that aren't empowering, that are disempowering, that cause division. Steer yourself towards unity and oneness and beauty and glory and the greatest day of your life, all day, every day. And I always say, every morning, I say, I am living a life filled with love, joy, peace, health, wealth, fun, laughter, and all my favorite things. So I'm praying for your favorite things to show up in abundance for you. I'm Dan PROK. You know the drill. Like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. Comment below and be beautiful and awesome today. I'll see you in the next video.